So, is it worth it? Should you steer clear? Because they all look so cute. I'm here to tell you. It's giving Big Bird and I'm here for it. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I have never done an exclusive Amazon haul before, like try on haul. And I have a bunch of dresses that I ordered and I have a lot of thoughts. So I don't know about you guys, but I see like all over like Instagram or just even like seeing them on the Amazon site. They all look so cute. And then the reviews don't match. And I'm kind of like, is it good? Is it not? It looks good on her. It looks good in a picture. Like I need to know more. So I decided to pick up, I think I picked up 5 dresses from Amazon, different sellers. So I kind of want to give you my thoughts and reviews, tell you which ones I absolutely loved and which ones were absolute misses. And I need your feedback. Like, where is your favorite? Who are your favorite sellers to get dresses from on Amazon? Where are your favorite places to get dresses from, like spring, summer dresses? I'm more of like a longer dress kind of girl because I just feel super comfortable in them. Not always, but these are all pretty like long dresses, kind of midi dresses. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of talk you through some of my opinions on them because these were like some of the most like popular ones, but I felt like the reviews just didn't add up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try on all 5 dresses and kind of talk to you guys about what I think about them, how they fit, whether they're true to size, whether they're not, whether I'm gonna be keeping them or returning them. And a lot of them are being returned. So I also think these videos are super helpful to kind of show you the things that didn't make the cut, and instead of just sending all of these back and being like this was a flop, I wanted to tell you why and what I think you can look out for. So let's get into it. First being the pictures never, I feel like, are accurate of what the actual item is. And I think this was kind of one of them. I think that this dress just looked so good on the model and it's cute. Don't get me wrong, it's cute. I love the pattern. I wish the sleeves were just bigger and more versatile. Like I wish it was a full cap sleeve so I could put it on my shoulder, but I do think it's cute. I wouldn't wear a bra with this, so it does accentuate the fact that you're not wearing a bra. I mean, you could totally wear a strapless bra. I just hate strapless bras, which leads me, what is your favorite strapless bra? I need to know. But it's cute. I love the color blue of it. I love the teardrop, or yeah, I think it's like a teardrop sort of print to it. It's cute. It's a midi. This would be cute with sneakers, with sandals. I'm not like blown away, but I'm not upset about this one. But I don't know. Let me know. What do you think? Is it a keep? Is it a go? Let me know. This though, yes. I love this. This one's pricier. This one's from their Amazon drop, which I believe is like a collaboration with like a creator of some sort. And I love this. I know this isn't gonna be everyone's cup of tea. And honestly, I've been told many times that yellow is not my color, but you know what? I don't care. I love it. I love everything about this. It's giving Big Bird and I'm here for it. It's kind of like a stretchy top where you could wear it off the shoulder completely or put it on as one shoulder. I love the little cutouts on the side, and this banding is just nice. It doesn't dig in, but it hits you right and it has pockets and it's midi and it's kind of this tiered sort of look. I love this so much. Yeah, it's pricey, like I said, but they do have like flash deals all the time. So I always add things to my Amazon cart, like in like the save for later, and it'll tell you if there was like a drop in price or whatever if you check it. It's a smart way to like save on Amazon, but this is so freaking cute. And if you're a yellow girly, check it out. I wish they had it in green too. That would be adorable, or blue. Any color in that. I think it's just a stunning, fun, classic piece, but it's like can be dressed up with like heels and whatnot. Okay, this is an example of the model was definitely wearing a different dress than this. She looked so freaking cute. It looked like a dress that I've seen on Petal and Pup before. And I'm always curious, like, is it really the Petal and Pup dress? And Petal and Pup just like marks it up because it's coming from like Australia and it's like, I don't know, the brand name. And then, so I wanted to try it out. And this, not a fan. It's cute in the prints. I just feel like the fit is very like basic, very generic. The straps are like tied in the back so you can adjust it, which is really nice, like fully. It's kind of just got a stretchy back here, which I would imagine the one from Petal and Pup probably has like more of a finished seam and not just a bungee. I mean, this obviously ensures that it fits really well, but it's not my favorite. The other thing I do not like when dresses do is like the pattern inside is completely white compared to this. it just looks cheap. Looks bad. I feel like it's an instant way that you can tell if a dress is nice or not. I do like the pattern. I love the orange and the pink. The silhouette's nice. It has a little cutout, but I just feel like for the money, it's not the greatest. This is from a brand called Zoffel, Forever Young, which I feel like I've heard of them. I haven't shopped there in like a billion years, but yeah, I would steer clear. This dress, I realized I was wearing backwards, but I like it backwards better. This is so cute. This is like a ribbed material, high neck, and you can wear a regular bra with it. I actually didn't wear a bra with this. I should have, looking back. I think I was just being lazy, but it's really freaking cute. It's like perfectly stretchy. It sinks or like hugs you in, but in a flattering way. I always recommend if you're gonna wear like a dress like this, if like you are like a little insecure about lumps or bumps or whatever, go with the darker color. It always makes it look a little more streamlined and flattering. And I think you can't go wrong with a black classic ribbed dress. I think this is so cute. And the quality is actually really nice because it's like a thicker, heavier sort of ribbed. So it really hugs and sucks you in at the right places, I think. So I realized the cutout was supposed to probably go in the front. I tried it on that way. I like it in the back better. It's just a classic silhouette. I think this could be cute dressed up with like nice shoes, sandals, or could be worn with sneakers and a baseball cap with a denim jacket or something like that. It's cute. It's a midi. I love this. And yeah, it can be worn 2 different ways, I guess. So 2 for 1. This last dress that I have, I was drawn in by the color. And now these sort of dresses can be hit or miss on me, to be honest with you, because this like ruching part, if it just goes to the bust, underneath the bust, I feel like it can make me look pregnant, even if I'm like not bloated that day, because it can hit you here and then this fabric just flares out because instantly it's like not flat anymore. You know what I mean? It's not ruched in. So this one hit a little bit longer, but I feel like the sides were just, I got this in a small. If I want to keep this, I need to go to an extra small because there's just too much gathering and like looseness in the chest area, even for it being ruched. Like I feel like it has the tendency to like fold and tuck. So yeah, I like the color. I like the pattern. I think this would be a cute wedding dress, or wedding guest dress. I would just size down, personally, for the bodice fit. Unless you want to wear a strapless bra, then you could probably go true to size. But with its ruching like this, I feel like you don't need to. So I don't want to because I hate strapless bras. So yeah, that's it. I don't know, you guys. I kind of don't love buying clothes from Amazon sometimes because I feel like they can be really hit or miss. I love activewear from Amazon. They're like my favorite. Obviously the black dress and the yellow dress were total wins and I think are so cute and look nice, really nice for what they are. But like I said, the yellow one I think is like 70 bucks. So it's not anything like crazy, crazy cheap. So let me know what your favorite places are to shop for like spring, summer sort of dresses. I feel like Amazon kind of let me down with this one, but if you want me to continue trying like viral Amazon clothes and like actually giving you my review and seeing how they fit, not just in a picture, because pictures are so different than in video, I think. So if you want me to try other sort of products from Amazon and see, is it really worth it? Should you waste your money? It's not even about like wasting your money because you can always return stuff on Amazon, but it's like you then have to go to the Amazon store to return it, which is like, and if you don't do it quick enough, because I'm sure you have a pile like I do in my house, like getting ready to return it and then you miss the return window. So I'm here to kind of help you with that. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. I know I didn't love all of the dresses, but I think that's still important to talk about. What I loved, what I don't, and why. Maybe that concern is not a concern for you and you would love it. So I love you guys so much and I'll see you on my next video.